You dug an empty grave. We are looking for a way that will try and cover it. Now, you went and brought another problem again.
Zenke,
can you put more energy in that talk.
This boy dug an empty grave.
Are you hearing?
May the good Lord be with you.
I don't need your Lord.
Zenke dug a grave.
Yes, I dug a grave.
I warned him not to dig the grave.
And culture demands that something must be buried.
I give you 3 days.
Why don't we allow the elders do this their own way?
What the Bible says.
Shut up your mouth. Your Bible have no say there. I am the final say. When our culture demands that a stranger to come and cover our grave.
You are the custodian of our culture as the head of this family.
Asempe.
And because of the arrival of this stranger in Banat, you are trying to confuse us.
Asempe.
We will not take it.
Most of them that you are.
Asempe that you are.